This video is going to explain a little bit about Zotero and how to use it. The first thing you want to do is go back to Zotero.org and click on the login button and then register for a free account. The reason you want to register for a free account is because if your computer crashed, like mine did, you will still get all your references back, which is a big lifesaver. Zotero also has at their website documentation that goes over everything about Zotero that you can look at. So let's look a little bit about Zotero. This is my Zotero. I've written a number of papers, so you can see that I have a lot of folders underneath my library. Now these folders are called collections. You can organize Zotero into what is called collections, and these are these folders underneath my library. So if I wanted to create a new folder or a new collection, I just click on this button right here and type in the name of the folder. So now I have a folder, it's called Zika. Let's say I wanted other folders underneath this as well, so I can do, if I right click on it, I can do a new sub-collection, and I can call that etiology. And I can even put collections under sub-collections. You can see in my PhD thesis, I have a number of different collections that I use. So let's take a look at the references in Zotero. So if I click on one of these references, this is what was saved off the internet when I found this article. The item type is journal article. Here's the title. It puts in the authors, it puts in the abstract if it finds one, the publication, all the information about it. Now, as you see up here, there's different tabs that you can go to. So here's one thing that you can do. You can add a note. So I can add a note and say that I want to look at this for Utah air pollution. After you put in the note, you can just click on the name of the article again. Another helpful thing is tags. Some of these tags are added automatically for you from the journal article. You can add your own tags if you'd like, and that makes searching for things with the same tags easier. And if you want to put anything that was related to that as well. And by clicking on the arrow up or down, I can see my notes if I have any. This one has a full text associated with it. It tells me exactly where the full text article is. So you can always check and see if Zotero has saved that for you. Of course, the thing that we want to know is how did I get these references in here in the first place? So let's take a look at how we do that. Of course, we're going to go to LRC, go to the library, and I'm going to go to liblinks, and I'm going to do my search again that I did before, and I put in Zika, and I'm going to do a search. And I'm going to put in an advanced search, and I'm going to put in prenatal. Let's see if that's something I'm interested in. And let's see, there's one, pediatric neurodevelopment. So I kind of like this one. I think this might be a good one for me to read. I click on that article. It brings up the article here. And then all I have to do is click on this little paper here. And the paper might be a Z depending on your browser. It changes a little bit different. I click on that, and then I get to choose the folder that I'd like to put it in. So I want to put that in Zika. Let's go now to Zotero and see what was saved. So here's the article that I just saved. You can see it put in that it was a journal article, the title, the author, the abstract, where it was from, where I got it from, EBSCO. It also put in the full text. So it told me exactly where that full text is. You can do this with any articles that you get off of the library search. In the next video, we're going to talk about citing using Zotero and how to create a bibliography.